We're told that AB is the chord of this circle, and we're told that TA and TB are tangents to the circle. So we need a circle theorem that involves tangents to a circle. So let's just go back to our circle theorems and check. And we can see from this circle theorem here that tangents from the same point are equal in length. So we've got tangent AB here. This is equal in length to tangent AC. So if we use that here, if I know that these two tangents are equal in length, then that means that these two angles must be equal to one another. They must both be the same because we have an isosceles triangle, and we know that base angles in an isosceles triangle are equal. Therefore, if I do 180, take away the 38, that's going to give me 142. So these two angles add up to 142. So if I divide that by 2, I find that x is 71 degrees. For part B of this question, we've got a diagram of a circle that has centre O, and we're told that C and D are points on the circumference of the circle, and COE is a straight line. We need to work out the size of angle Y. Well, first thing to note is that the triangle COD, this has to be an isosceles triangle. And I know that because CO is the radius of the circle and OD is the radius of the circle. So these two lines are equal in length, which means then that these two angles are going to be the same. Which means I can now work out the angle COD, because I can do 180, take away 25, take away 25, which is 130. Now remember that we were told that COE is a straight line, which means that I can now work out this angle DOE by doing 180, take away 130, which is 50 degrees. Finally, let's focus on this triangle here so that I can work out the size of Y. Well, I know that this angle here is a right angle, and I know that because, let's just remind ourselves of our circle theorems. I know that a tangent always makes a right angle with the radius. So in this specific question, DE is a tangent, OD is the radius, so therefore that is 90 degrees. So I can now work out angle Y by doing 180 minus 90 minus 50, which is 40 degrees.